Okay, so I just went into the house to get my batteries because my batteries died. And now look at the weather. Oh my gosh, this is incredible. It's, the wind is picking up. It's pouring pretty much like I've never seen. Oh my gosh. I know, it feels like a tornado. Oh my gosh, look at it out here.
It's hot and humid.
What?
It's so pretty.
Isn't this amazing? Whoa. Oh my gosh, the wind is really picking up. Want to take pictures?
No. I don't want to get rain on.
Wow, this is amazing.
I can't see.
Oh my gosh. It is really coming down.
Move it.
Oh, that's a camera. I thought it was lightning. I was like, ooh. Not a good idea to put an umbrella out in a lightning storm.
I know that. Whee!
Wow.
I tell you, we're going out into an area.
There's no way I'm running out into this.
Why? You don't want to get wet?
No, I don't want to get hit by lightning.
Dang, look at it come down.
I'll stick my head out. I don't know. I'm afraid lightning will like kill me.
See what it's like running to the rain.
Not in that kind of thunder. No way. It looks like monsoon season out here. It's awesome.
Go.
What?
Just stand out in there for 1 minute.
I gotta be going to work in like 45 minutes.
1 minute, just stand out there 1 minute.
Like I say, not when it's thundering. No. Oh my god.